How to Check Connected Accounts with Your Google Account 2025 Guide for How to Mastery channel. Welcome to How to Mastery, your trusted guide for easy tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to check all the apps, websites, and accounts connected to your Google account, the ones you signed up for using the Continue with Google option. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser on your phone or computer and go to myaccount.google.com. That's your Google account settings page. Step 2. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account that you want to check. Step 3. From the main menu, tap or click on Security. Step 4. Now scroll down until you see a section called Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Here you'll find a list of apps and websites connected to your Google account. These are the ones where you clicked Continue with Google during sign-up. Step 5. Tap on Manage Third-Party Access. You'll see detailed information about each connected app, including when it was connected and what type of access it has. For example, access to your name, email, or profile picture. Step 6. If you find an app or website you don't recognize or no longer use, simply tap on it and select Remove Access. This will instantly disconnect it from your Google account and protect your privacy. Step 7. Bonus tip. For extra safety, review this section every few months to make sure no unnecessary apps are linked to your Google account. And that's it. You've now learned how to check and remove connected apps and accounts linked to your Google account. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech guides. Only on How to Mastery.